Hello students. In sixth class already we discussed about the round of numbers. Okay, already concept we discussed that one. Okay, related to that one, we will do the nearest hundreds. Whenever if you want to find out the nearest hundreds or nearest tens or nearest thousands, we should remember the two-digit numbers. What are the two-digit numbers? 0, 0. Okay, 10. 0, 0 is not needed, but you have to remember. Okay, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, up to these numbers you have to remember. Okay, that means we have to take a two-digit number. We have to identify that number lies between which numbers? Between which numbers that number will rise? That one identify after we will find out the nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds we will find. Okay, see here in the first question 695. Okay, I want to find out the nearest hundreds for this one. Nearest hundreds means which number is given here? 695 given. Okay, now we have to identify the hundred place. Okay, from left side and already we know well about the place values of Indian system. Okay, from right side and left side onwards you have to take places. Ones, tens, hundred. This is the hundred place. Okay, this is the hundred place. Okay, hundred place left side, which is there 9. That one also you have to take group. That means which place, nearest place we are asking that place, and the left side of that place which digit is presented. That one also you have to take a group. That means 69 as a group. Okay. Now 69 lies between which numbers? 69 lies between 60 and 70. 60 and 70. That means this number lies between 60 and 70. Okay. 69 nearest to the 60 or 70. Okay. Very close to 70. 69 after 70. That means very close number you have to take. Very nearest number. Close number means nearest number. 60, if you want to get me 60, if you want me, we have to that's nearly 8 numbers. But if you want to reach 70 means only increase one number. So the 70 is very nearest to the 69. So we can take nearest 100. Nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds equal. Okay, 60 nearest to what number? 70. Okay, left side, underline number, left side which numbers are there? Those numbers take as 0 while writing the nearest place. Right side numbers which are there, those we have to take the same numbers only. Okay, that means you have to take instead of 5, 0 here. Nearest 100 is 700. Nearest 100 is 700. Next, second one, 36, 152. That means 36,152. For this number, I want to find out the nearest 100. Nearest 100 means the other number is given 36,152 given. Identify the 100 place. What is the 100 place here? 1 tens 100. 1 tens 100. This is the 100 place. This is the 100 place. Now take the 100 place and left side digit. Okay, these two have to take 15. Okay, 15 is lies between which numbers? 15 is lies between which numbers? Okay, 10 and 20. Okay, the between which numbers we will get the 15. That one I have to identify. Now 15 is we will get between 10 and 20. By writing 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 like that numbers if you are writing, we will get 15. So 15 is the lies between 10 and 20. Okay, 15 lies between 10 and 20. For understanding purpose only, I am writing. This is no need to write in examination. Okay, nearest 100 equal to nearest hundreds. Nearest hundreds equal to. Okay, 15 is lies between these two numbers, but nearest one 10 or 20. Whenever 15 is there, we have to take next number. Don't take the previous number. 15, 16, 17, 18 is there, we have to take a 21. 15 below number is there, we will go for the 10. We will go for the 10. That means we will take as 20. Okay, 15 nearest to the 20. Okay, 15 left side. How many numbers are there right side? 15 right side. How many numbers are there? 15 right side. 15 right side. If you are looking good, this is left side. Okay, if you are looking good, this is right side. That one you have to understand. Don't confuse that one. Okay, 15 right side. Which number is there? 2. That means how many digits are there? 1 digit only there. 1 digit is there means we can take 1 0 only. 1 0. Okay, 15 left side. 15 left side, how many digits are there? 3 6. Which digits are presenting left side of the underlined number? Those numbers as in have to take by writing result. That means what is the nearest hundreds for this one? 36,200 is the nearest hundreds. Similarly, we go for the next sum also same only. Third one, 13,648. Okay, one more sum is there. That one you have to do yourself. Okay, 13,648. What is the number given? 13,648. First we want to identify what is the question here. Nearest hundreds. That means nearest hundred place. Just identify. Okay, from right side onwards we have to take the places. Ones, tens, 100. This is the 100 place. That place number and right side which digit is there? Right side. Right side which digit is there? 4. Right side which digit is there? 4. Then if you are looking, no need to confuse. If you are looking towards the board, 4 is right side. Okay, other way it is right side, left side. Okay, if you turn towards without board. Okay, 64. 64 lies between which numbers? 64 lies between 60, 70. 60 to 70 we will get 64. Which is the nearest one? Nearest 100 equal to nearest hundreds equal to nearest 100 which is 64 nearest to the 60. 64 nearest to the 60. Okay, in 64 right side how many digits are there? 1 digit only. So take 1 0. Okay, 64 left side how many digits are there? 13. 13 only as is there. Left side is it as is you have to write. Right side is it take zeros. Okay, do your own this one. Fourth question is there in your textbook. 93,618. This one you have to do your own. Okay, this is the nearest 100. Okay, go for the next Roman. Nearest 1000 now we will discuss. Third one. Nearest 1000. Okay, any nearest place is asked to you. We have to remember identify the place value and take a group by taking the right side number. And now that one lies between which digits, which number, and then identify the nearest number. Okay, then we can get answer. In this first one, 3,415. 3,415. This is the number is given. 3,415. Okay, now what is the number here? 3,415. Identify the 1000 place because what is the question? Round up the following numbers, the nearest thousands. Nearest thousands. That means we have to take underline 1000 place. Which is the 1000 place? From right side only you have to take place values. Already you know well in your system. Okay, from right side onwards you have to take ones, tens, 100, 1000. This is the 1000. This is the 1000 place. Now 1000 place and right side which is number is there? 4. That will take consideration. Only one number only have to take to make a group. Okay, now 34. 34 is lies between which numbers? 34 lies between which numbers? Okay, 34 is when you are writing 34 between 20 30 20 to 30 we will get 34. No, 30 to 40 we will get 34. Yes, 31 to 30 40 if you writing on numbers we will get 34. So lies between 30 and 40. 30 and 40 lies between 30 and 40. 30 to 40 always we generate 30 to 40. 30 to 40. Okay, now nearest thousand. Nearest thousands. Nearest thousands equal to. Now underline number which is closer 30 or 40. For underline numbers is closer to 30 or 40. Okay, you have to take a short period of time only. You have to take a 34, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. Only 5 numbers from top up will get 34. But here 40 is 6 numbers. After only we will get. Okay, so 30 is nearest. Okay, 30 we can write here instead of 34, 30. Okay, 30 left side. Any numbers are there? No numbers are there. No need to write same numbers there. 34 right side. How many digits are there? 2 digits are there. 2 digits are there means we can take 2 zeros. We have it. That means 8,000 is nearest 1,000. Similarly, second one. 70,124. That means 70,124. Now, we have to identify the first 1,000 place. From right side only take 1s, 10s, 100, 1,000. This is the 1,000 place. This is the 1,000 place. 1,000 place and right side number. Take underline. Take underline here. Okay, 0, 1. 0, 1. 0 will lies between. 0, 1 lies between which numbers? D. From 0, 0 to 10. We will get a 1. Okay, 0, 0 to 10 only it will lies. Now nearest 1,000. Nearest 1,000 is equal to and you write 0, 0, 1 before which number is there? 7. 7 only write. 0, 1 closer to or nearest to 0, 0 or 10. 0, 0, 1. Only one number only increase. If you want to reach 10, we will increase 9. If you increase 9, then only we will reach 10. Okay, so we will write here which number is nearest. For the 0, 1, nearest means that will take a small number addition. If you want to get 0, 1, for this one we have to add 1. If you want to get 0, 10, for this we have to add 9. For this one we have to add 9. This is subtraction. This is subtraction. Subtract 1. From this one we have to subtract. If you reach 0. If you reach 10, if you want to reach 10, add 9 for the 0, 1. Add for the 0, 1. Okay. Don't take a minus and the plus comparing by comparing. Okay. Here number is 9. Here number is 1. Okay. Which is closer? Which is smaller? 1. Which is the smaller? That is closer. Or nearest. That means 0, 0, nearest. 0, 0. Okay, the underlying number after which number started 2, 4. That means instead of 2, 4, we can take 2 zeros. Always have to write zeros. Underlying number after how many digits are there. Such number of zeros we have to write while writing the result. Similarly, you can complete these 3 and 2 sums also. 8,765. Do your own these. I will not explain this. We can easily do that. We cannot do it. Same on nearest 1,000 we have to find it. We will go for that fourth Roman. What is the fourth Roman here? Write a short form. Fourth Roman, write the numbers in short form. Okay, sometimes they will ask standard form also or standard form. Right? Short form or standard form. Both are the same only questions. When they are asking short form or standard form, means numerical form you have to write. Numerical form. That means that we should be able to read according to these basis. Okay, for what is first question here? Very easy sum is 3,000 plus 400 plus 7. Okay, next second one. Second one do your whole. Second one. Okay, like is given this. Next fourth one also there. Fourth one, second one do your one. These two sums follow the explained one. Do complete yourself only. Okay, what is the question here? Write the number in short form or standard form. Short form or standard form. Both are same questions only. Write the numerical form, numerical figure. Write the numerical form. That means you have to write it without additions. Without additions, you have to write number. Now, indeed, here what is first question? Total how many numbers are there by adding? Here plus symbol is there. Here plus symbol is there. Okay, how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3 numbers we are adding. No need to write 1 below 1, no need to add. Without adding also we can do it. Okay, 3407 we are adding. In these 3 numbers which is bigger? 3000 is bigger because we have more digits. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay, 3 digits only there. Which is having the more digits? This number having the more digits. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. So we have to write 4 underlines here. 4 underlines here. Now every time how do you count from plus onwards? That means number right side onwards. One space onwards you have to write. One space means not started here. Here only it will start. One space. Ones, tens, 100, 1000. Okay. One first place, second place, third place, fourth place. First place, second place, third place, fourth place. Always you have to fill from right side only. First place, second place, third place, fourth place. Fourth place. Fourth place is B. So we have to fill with fourth place 3. 3 here. Fourth place stand fill with 3. Now 4 is located 4 to 100. 1 second 100. 100 place fill with 4. Otherwise, which place is there? First place, second place, third place. Third place. First, second, third. Third place fill with 4. Third place fill with 4. Now here it is only one digit is there. That means first place only. So first place fill with 7. First place fill with 7. Okay, which place is left there? Left empty. Second place is left empty. That take as 0. That take as 0. Okay, I think you understood this one. For second one, the fourth one, do your one. I will explain this one also. Once again, carefully listen. Here, how many digits we are adding? How many numbers we are adding here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 numbers we are adding. Next, which are having more digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. These are having the more digits, 5 digits. So 5 underline. That is maximum. More digits which are having the such number of underlines we have to. Which number having more digits, such number of underlines we have to take. Without using underlines also we can do directly also if you get me. Now which place is there? First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. Okay, this side only have to start. Now count for this number. First place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place. Fifth place have 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth place filled with 3. Now go for the second number. 500. 500 first place, second place, third place. 5 is located third place. That means here also third place filled with 5. 1, 2, 3. 5. Now 20. 20 according to the places you have to write actually. But sometimes we may confuse. That's why we are using this method. Okay, second place. Second place after place 2. Second place. First place 5. Okay, which place left in? Fourth place is left. That is taken 0. Okay, complete these two sums your own. Okay. Now we will go for the next one. What is the next one here? Write expanded form. Write fifth one we are discussing. Write expanded form. Write expanded form of the numbers. Okay, it is also we have to write a expanded form means we have to split the number according to places. Okay, we have to join the numbers by addition. That is the expanded form. We have to split the number according to the places. Okay, first one 4348. Expanded form. Expanded form. Expanded form equal to, okay, 4. We have to take first 4. 4 is located in which place? Thousand place. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So 4 is thousand. 4,000 you have to here. 4,000. 4,000 you have to. 4 is located at 1000 place. We have to write 4,000 plus. It is located at 100. The 100 place which number present digit 3 digit is present. That means 3 is located at 100 place. That means we have to write 300. 300. 4 is located at 10 place. That means 40. 4 into 10. We have to multiply the place again. The 1000 place. 1000 into 4. 4000. 3 into 100. 300. 4 into 10. 40. 8 into 1. 1 place is 1 only. 8 into 1. 8. Directly you can get 8. Otherwise, if you want to, if you get confused, 4 into 1000. Like this answer, you can get 3 into 100. 3 is located at 100 place. 4 is located at 1000 place. 4 is located at 10 place. 8 is located at place 1 place. Like this after, we can do one more method. By writing this one, after you can write this one. The otherwise, you can write directly. Without doing this one also, we can do those sums. Okay, how we do? See here, 30,240. Expanded form. Expanded form equal to 30,204. 30,204. 30,000 first digit is what there? 3. 3 right. 3 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros you have to get. This is shortcut for this one without using this one. Okay. Next is 0. 0 no need to write. 0 you have to skip. Go for the next number 2. 2. 2 beside how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. That means write 2 zeros. Plus next digit is 1. 1 beside how many digits are there? 4. That means 1 0 is next last digit is 4. Enough. One more sum we will discuss. Start one, do your own. Like this given. Third one, do your own. Fourth one, experiment. This is expanded form. Expanded form equal to 75,025. Okay, first digit is 1 there is 7. 7 beside how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros right here. Indirectly we are writing digits only. Okay, next digit is what there? 5. 5 right here. 5 beside. Don't count this one. 5 beside how many digits are there? 5 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros right. Don't count underline number. Don't count underline number. If I counting underline number means we will get a mistake. Okay, 0. 0 no need to write. Leave that one. That place we have to leave. Next one 2. Okay, 0 no need to write. 2. 2 after how many digits are there? 1, 2, right? Beside one digit 0 we have to. Next to last one 5. This is the expanded form. This is the expanded form. Now we have to take the exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. If you want to complete exercise 1.3, you should know the place values of a number. You should know. Indian system. Already starting the class, we told that one. Indian system. What is that Indian system? Exercise 1.3. Exercise 1.3. Page number 9. Exercise 1.3. Whenever, what is the important one you have to read? Okay, place comma. Commas will get it. Will get first and 3 digits after. 3 digits after. Later we will get. Later comma will be locate after each 2 digits. Okay, whenever placing comma, very important. Later you can write the Indian system. Whenever if you want to place comma in a number according to Indian system, first you have to start from right side. Okay, for example, I take a number 4, 6, 8, 9, 5, 6, 7. Like that number I taken. Okay, you have this is the left side, this is the right side. This is the left side, this is the right side. Okay, right side onwards you have to start. Place comma first get 3 digits after. From right side 1, 2, 3. Comma. Later after every 2 digits. After every 2 digits have to take comma. 1, 2, comma. Here no need to take comma because here no digits are there. If after 2 digits no digit is made, no need to take comma. Okay. Similarly, you have to read the Indian system table. Already I explained that one. Indian system table. Okay, complete this one. First one is page number 9, exercise 1.3. First one complete yourself. Complete this first one also. Okay, just place the commas only there. Okay, place the commas and give that. Okay, I will explain that.